Okay, here's the install for the ASCERBIS. So that's the new, what it looks like. Nice. I really like the coverage. That's kind of why I got them. Just more coverage for the hands. Big bar. Supposedly that's like the biggest one on the market. So you can compare it to my old guards. So those are the ASCERBIS, and then those are my Moose. You can kind of see the size difference there. So a little different. That's my old school Moose racing and new school ASCERBIS. Pretty cool. I like it. Okay, so this is my 450 exc-r. I've already got these Moose racing bash guards that have took some abuse here with my moto. So my goal is to take this off and put these ASCERBIS on there. Should be pretty good. All right, let's see how it goes. Okay, this is my attempt to put on these X-Factor handguards from ASCERBIS. I guess that's how you say it. So I'm going to put these on the KTM 450 2008 XCR. I already have handguards. I didn't see a video, so I figured I'll put this up, see if this helps things. Moose guards, now I'm installing the bracket. I had to work it around the cables, it was a little tight. My bar ends, I already cut off the grips prior because I already had handguards on there. Parts for the X-Factor, bar clamp, end clamp, tighten it into the grips. What I like about these new ASCERBIS is at the end, fastener goes in real snug, big bar to protect the hands. It's going to hold well. Okay, this is the final look at the ASCERBIS handguard install. Came out nice. I didn't need to use the shims around the bars. I just went right to the bar. My old ones did the same, so I think it'll work fine. Pretty tight around the cables, but I was able to work it in, no problem. The install went great, super easy. Nice coverage of the hands. I was able to lower my levers even more, which I wanted to do. And I really like them. A nice clean look and good coverage. I think it'll be good protection. Thanks for watching.